seed collection worksheet, and he can what you call record where he collect the seed and the location, the name of the seed, and yeah, many things he put in here. This is the example of the seed collection data sheet. Yeah, you can see, because we need to record everything, right? We walk to the forest, and next time we can go to exactly tree, right? Yeah. แค่นี้ใช่ไหมคะ and last one หรือยังยัง not last one yet this one
เมล็ดที่ดีหรือไม่ดีเมล็ดเสียหรือไม่เสียว่าจะใช้งานได้ไหมเพาะขึ้นไหมก็ต้องมี
This is for the old people, no? This is for the seed that have very tiny seed or very small seed. We have to use this. Yeah.
ชุดปฐมพยาบาล
First aid kit. Yeah.
ชุดผสมพยาบาลนะสำหรับติดตัวไปหัว
Head ADC. You can use this when you collect the seed.